Welcome back to 20 Car. In a world where SUVs blur into a sea of sameness, the 2025 Toyota Highlander Concept emerges like a sculpted titan of the open road, bold, futuristic, and infused with Japanese precision engineering. This isn't just another three-row SUV, it's a rolling sanctuary, a tech-infused chariot designed to make every journey feel like a grand expedition. A presence that commands attention. The Highlander Concept's sharpened LED signature lights cut through the darkness like a samurai's katana. Its muscular stance, floating roof design, and diamond-cut 22-inch wheels exude power and elegance. With an active aero grille that adjusts for efficiency, Toyota has transformed family mobility into an art form of aerodynamics, a cabin straight out of science fiction. Slide inside, and the panoramic smart glass roof adapts to sunlight, bathing passengers in the perfect ambience. The AI-driven infotainment hub responds to voice commands with near-human intuition, while the fully digital cockpit brings futuristic simplicity to life. Heated and ventilated zero-gravity comfort seats ensure fatigue-free travel, whether you're commuting or road tripping across continents. Hybrid power meets electrified performance. Beneath the sculpted hood lies Toyota's next-gen hybrid powerhouse, delivering 400 horsepower while sipping fuel like a Zen master sips tea. The Highlander Concept rockets from 0 to 100 km height in 5.8 seconds, putting rivals like the Hyundai Palisade and Ford Explorer on notice. A premium future, without the premium cost. Expected to start at $50,000, the Highlander Concept redefines value, luxury, and long-term reliability. With low maintenance costs and Toyota's legendary resale value, it's an investment in peace of mind and adventure. The road is calling, are you ready to answer?